Welcome to Membership Website. So today we're looking at this section just up here. We're looking to see how we can adjust the text and the icon, or how we can upload an image to display in this area here. Let's look at the text and icon first. So if we go into our admin area, we'll go to Settings, Design Settings. Then we'll go down to Logo Design. And we can see in this area, these are all the settings that have been created to display this image here. So let's change this. Let's make our website a place for clockmakers. Let's put in a website slogan. Find a local clockmaker. Not very exciting, but it will do for the purpose of this video. Logo title color. Let's change it. Let's go a wee bit extravagant. Logo slogan color, we'll just leave as it is. We'll leave the font size the same, but you can adjust it, and along with the font family just there as well, we'll just leave the same. So we're building a website here for clockmakers, or for people to find clockmakers. So we want to change the icon, because I think there are better icons that we could be using. Let's put in cog. Let's change the icon color. Maybe make it the same color as our title there. So I'm going to copy that and just paste it in there. There we go. So there we go. We've created an icon and text title. So we're going to save that. Go back to our main website and we'll refresh it. There we go. There's our title and our icon. But what if we want to put an image in here? Maybe a logo. Let's go back to the admin area and we'll go to General Settings. We'll go to Brand Images. And we can see here there's a space here for website logo. So we're going to upload an image. Now we've already added an image to our database here. So we've got an image here that we're going to put in this space that we've created for the purpose of this demonstration. There we go. Clockmakers. This image is actually 470 by 90. The recommended size is 450 by 70. We'll save that. And by doing that, that will overwrite the icon and text. There we go. We can adjust the size of this image, the width size. So we might want it to display maybe just 400. And you'll see that image when we refresh will shorten. We might want to display a larger image, so we could go 700. Then when we refresh again, it's a lot bigger, isn't it? So you can adjust how long that image is, the width of that image, the pixel length, just by using this box here. But that is how to upload a logo image or use the text and icons to create a logo. Hope that helps. Thanks.